Our world has always been on the move. Mobility is a big part of our way of life, but it's also been the cause of a growing disaster. To tackle this challenge, electric cars are the key, but there's still a question: how to charge all those electric vehicles?
At Mob-Energy, we want to help our customer not wasting their power. We are a tech and industrial startup. Tech because we design our own solutions, industrial because we made the choice to assemble, deploy, maintain and supervise those solutions for our customers. Since 2018, we have been designing complete charging solutions by mixing hardware and software in a unique way. Our solution can store energy in second life batteries and are robotized.
We have designed solutions that are the best in their categories, with Charles, the charging robot, and Eiko, the cube of power. With Eiko, our customers can deploy a charging solution on site in one day, with a single connection to the grid, allowing to reduce the overall capex. But Eiko doesn't stop there. After storing the energy, Eiko is capable of spreading the energy at different speeds on 20 charging points that are interconnected. With the scheduling algorithm, users can ask for a charging order, and they're going to be put through an agenda that is dynamic and optimized in real time. With its battery pack, Eiko allows to store energy from off-peak times and solar panels, allowing to reduce the energy costs. Eiko has also been designed to be super evolutive, starting with 5 or 10 charging points and growing on the go with off-road interconnected charging points up to 20. And finally, with its user interface, Eiko is the most simple solution to use on the market. By putting through an order, saying how long you're going to stay and how much energy you want, Eiko is capable of answering you on the go. You can then pay with your credit card or go if it's free.
We do this for 4 reasons. First, we want to reduce by 30% the environmental impact of our mobility with electric cars. Second, we want to reduce the carbon footprint of electric cars by giving an extra life to batteries with the second applications. Finally, we want to help our world to be more autonomous in energy by allowing cities and companies to store energy when it is available and to reuse it when it is needed.